Hello, welcome back. I'm Abhishek De Silva, an undergraduate of the Jama Institute for Advanced Technology. Hello, welcome back to the question series of Database Management System 1, and today I'm here with the question set number 8. To facilitate the business of Max Mobile, the owner of the mobile phone company uses the computer software which uses the following table to store the data in that computer software. Answer the questions asked in this table. So as the first question, create a database named mshop to save data in mobile phone shop. And the second question, create a table as customer and product in the database. Follow the instructions below. The third question, add data graphically to the tables you have created and then find all customers. And as the fifth question, find details of all products. And as the sixth one, the last question, find the details of the customers whose customer ID is CUS003. Today I'm using HeidiSQL software. So then at first let's create the database. This is the database management system. Right click on it, create new database. So the name of the database is mshop and then click OK. Here's our database and then let's create the table. So then click on our database, right click on it, create new table, and then let's give the table name as customer, and then let's add the columns. Customer ID column with the data type varchar, to varchar, and length 10. Untick this null and make it no default. And then the next column is the first name column with the data type varchar and length 45, 3 to 45. And then the last name column with the data type varchar and length 45, and then the gender column with the data type varchar and length 10, 3 to 10, and then the contact number column with the data type varchar and length 10. And they have given the customer ID as the primary key, so then let's make it as the primary key. Click on this row, right click on it, create new index primary. So then let's save this relation. So then let's create the product table on mshop for the database, right click on it, create new table. Let's give the table name as product, and then let's add the columns, the product ID with the data type varchar, set to varchar, and length 10. Untick this allow null button and make it no default. And then the brand name column with the data type varchar and length 45, 3 to 45. And then the model number column with the data type varchar and length 45, and then the price column with the data type double. So in this relation 2, they have provided us the product ID as the primary key. So then let's make this primary key, right click on it, create new index primary. So then let's save this relation also. Here are the two tables that we have created. So then let's move to the next question. In the third question, they are asking to add the data graphical to the tables that we have created. So then let's add the data. So at first let's add data to customer table. So click on this add button to add the row, and then give the customer ID as CUS001, and then the name as, and the last name Navicat, the gender as male, and the contact number. Likewise, we have to add the remaining data to the customer table. Here I have added all the data in the customer table that they have given in the question. So click on this add button to add a new, and then the product ID PRO001, and then the brand name, and then the model, and at last the price. Likewise, we have to add the remaining data to our product table. Here I have added all the data to our product table, and then let's move to the next question. In the fourth question, it tells to find all the customers So then let's move to our query tab. So in this question we have to use the select query to search all customers. Select all from, and then the database name inside the gravy ascent mark, mshop dot, and then the table customer, and at last the semicolon, as we have to find all the customers in the customer table, so we don't have to use the where clause here. And then let's execute this query, and as the result they display all the information of the customers in the customer table. And then let's move to the fifth question. They are asking to find details of all the products. Select all from, and then the database name mshop dot, and then the table name as product colon. So then let's execute this query also. Result of the select query we execute. In the sixth question, it asks to find the details of the customer whose customer ID is CUS003. So here select all from mshop, the database name, and then the table name as customer, and then the where clause, as we have to specify the customer, where inside the question mark customer ID equals, and then the quotation marks, let's give the value as CUS003, and then the semicolon. Here displaying the customer details with the customer ID CUS003. So we have done all the questions in the question set number 8. So then let's revise again. In the question set number 8, they are asking to create a database called mshop, and then to create two tables as customer and product. And as the third question, we have to enter the data graphical to our tables, and as the fourth, fifth and sixth questions, we have to use the select query. So here's the database that we have created named mshop, and here's the customer table that we have created with the primary key customer ID, and then here's the product table that we have created with the primary key product ID. Question set number 8, we discuss about the select query. So the format of the select query is select all from mshop, or the database name, and then the table name. If we had to specify the row, we have to use where clause here. So then let's meet to the question set number 9, and bye for now.